Hey friends, we are here to do some savings challenges. This is going to be the fastest savings challenge stuffing ever because I'm recording much later than usual. My daughter is awake from her nap and my son needs to do his homework and all the things. So we're using the Bright Undated Budget Planner, non-spiral bound version available on Amazon, linked below, spiral bound version available in my Etsy shop. And we are putting $45 total towards challenges. I have $10 of real cash already set aside, and then I do need to grab the other 35 in prop, so hold one moment please. All right, we're good to go there. I have the prop money. Let's put everything together and count it up. This is my rollover cash in addition to that $10 that I had in real cash, and the reason I had 10 in real cash is just because I get my cash out of the ATM. You can only get increments of 20, blah, blah, blah. If you've been here before, you know this. So let's count it up. 20, 35, 45, 55, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 79. We are back to non-magic month amounts here, as I said in my cash stuffing. And so, yeah, we got 79 bucks to work with. Not a whole lot, but we're going to see what we can do. All right, let's pull out the first binder here and let's get going. Okay, I have a brand new challenge, you guys, and it's saving for the sewer. So I am now an adult and I own a house. And we got our first sewer bill. It was $80. So I don't know if that's the type of bill that goes up or down, or if it's just like a flat rate all year. Let me know below. But yeah, it's 80 bucks. I just paid it for, so we got the bill now, but that payment is for the first quarter of 2025. So 8 times 4, 32, that's 320. So the goal is going to be 320 a year unless, as I said, it goes up. And so yeah, we're going to try to save for it. So I chose this little cute, adorable savings challenge here. I've had these for a while. This is from Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets. Let me grab my scratchy. And let's see what we got going on. Oh, really? The very first one, skip or double? Really? Okay. I'm a little bit... Are you for real right now? Another skip or double? Okay, well, I am not quadrupling it. So we're going to say the first one was a skip. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, a 5. So we have 10. Oh, I don't even want to put 10 in here, you guys. All right, I'm wimping out. I'm only doing 5. I'm skipping because it's... Yeah, I just don't need to save that much for that fast. So we're going to put $5 in. And if you disagree with that, well, I'm sorry, not sorry. Okay, $5 going in. Boom. Wowza. Okay, medical. So, as you know, I am starting all Christmas challenges. It is December. It's Christmas time. And yes, all of these challenges are pretty much brand new because I finished, I think, almost everything in my last savings challenge stuffing. So you're going to see all new challenges today. These are Christmas challenges, and they are not going to be done by the end of December, especially when I only have $79 to stuff. Okay, $9. But that's okay. The Christmas challenges are going to continue into January, and that's just, it is what it is. Okay, $9 here going into medical. This one is from Ren, our Rennie Poo, over at Mischief Managed Budgets. And I should probably not talk over the vacuum, but again, I'm in a hurry. So 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9 going in to start that one off, and that's only 50, so that's pretty doable. Okay, next is the pet savings challenge, and look at that, I have an IOU. So let's throw that off to the side. Let's pay the IOU, $1. This is Grab Your Balls, It's Christmas by Craftco Budgets, and I don't know about you, but when it is Christmas time, it definitely makes me want to grab my balls. Okay, we have $1. Let's go again. I love that these are super low. That's $2, so that's 3. I feel like this is going to be a 5. Yep. So $8 going in. I love that this is 1 to 5. Did I already say that? I don't know. very, very low amounts, and it's $50, which is still a nice savings amount, I think. So $8, 5, 6, 7, and 8 going in. And so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 total. So we're already 1/5 of the way there on this one. Yay! Okay, next is school. This is another one by Danny at Craft Co Budgets. And this is Out Here Looking Like a Snack. I just had to with these, you guys. I absolutely love them. Ooh, again, this is 1 to 5. This is what? This is for school. We're only doing 1 today. Of course I picked the 5. Of course. That's all right. All right, $5 going in for the school fund, which is really just a kiddo fund for me. I use it for kind of anything that the kids might need. All right, next is consignment sale. We're working on Dee's challenge here for December. And I think we're only going to do one of these also because I don't need this money till April. So let's go here. Oh, okay. I thought it was a coffee. This is an ornament, and ornaments are $2. And again, that's all I'm going to do. Although I really should do at least one more if I want to get this done by the end of December. Yeah. Okay. And of course, a coffee. So coffees are 5, ornaments are 2. So we're going to put 7 in here. And normally, as I said, I'm saving for this really slowly, but I like to have the monthly ones done in the month that they are, you know, the month that they are happening. So we're going to put 7 in. All right, 5, 6, and 7. And I am almost out of all my change already. Wow. Okay, so total in here we have $20, $30, $40, $55, $56, $57. So you know what? Because we put 7 in there, I feel like I actually might skip this one today, which is also from Danny at Craft Co Budgets, the Cute and Creepy Coffee. I just broke that envelope. Even though I absolutely love that one, because I don't need the money right away, I'm gonna skip that because I'm running low already. Okay, emergency. So let's see, we have 2 in here because they're really low. This one's 15 from Ellie on Earth. This one is 30 from Sarah over at Beauty Mom Budgets. Should we do 1 on each? We probably should, but I don't know. I think I want to go just 1 over. Well, okay, we got a 1, so let's do 1 on each. This is Scratch My Balls. I mean, come on. I just apparently love challenges about balls. And we got another 1. Okay, that is what I'm talking about. These shavings are really getting stuck in here. All right, $2. That's all we're going to do. Feel like I should do more. I should do more, but again, we're not working with a lot. $1, $2. And so it's going to be what it's going to be. All right. Next is Happy Birthday. This one, again, is from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. I think these numbers are pretty big, you guys, and I have not a lot of money. So I'm a little bit scared. Let's give them a quick mix. These are the absolute most adorable, adorable, adorable cards ever. And I freaking love them. Okay, so let's go to this one. I think this adds up to $120 when it's done. Is it $1? Oh, yes! Okay, it's $1. That's all we're doing, baby. We are only doing $1. It's a sign, you guys. Is it a sign that I should play the lottery again? Well, I say again. I never even played it. I feel like that's lucky to be getting so many $1 in a row. Okay, that is it. We are moving on to the big boys. There's only 2 of those. Let me try to get this out of here. So really, I probably could have done a little bit more in those other challenges, and I probably should go back, but I'm not going to. So we have vacay and 1K. Let's see what we got left. 20, 35, 41. So I think we do 20 in the 1K challenge and 21 in vacay. Let's see what challenge we have here in vacay. Okay, so we are doing the 3 of these together. These are all digital downloads from Lady Di Saves. And what I was doing was each cupcake was 10. And then these 2 I was doing roll and save. So let me get a die real quick. All right, and we're gonna do 1 check mark for 10 bucks. Okay, and then we have $11 left. So let's see if we could get a 6 and a 5, and then I really would need to play the lottery. A 2. And another 2. Okay, so that's 4. So we have $7 left. 6. Okay, if we get a 1, you guys, if we get a 1, then it's lottery playing time. Okay, we did not. We got a 4. So we have a $3 IOU, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, $3 is what we owe. So let me get my IOU slip real quick. And I'm going to write down a 3 on here, and that is A-okay with me. All right, so all together we have 20, 35, 41. $41 so far between these 3 challenges. And I'm really interested to see what these are going to add up to. Let's see. How did I have this IOU clipped on here? Oh, I didn't, right? This was from another challenge. I need a paper clip. Paper clip, paper clip. Here we go. Okay, I think that's gonna work. All right, yay! Next and last but not least, we are gonna put 20 bucks into the 1K challenge. And here it is. This is my 25 low income savings challenge book, available on Amazon. And we're working on 1K. We have all of the clouds done. Yes! Let's do 2 of the raindrops for $10 each. There's 10 and there's 20. Yay! We are making our way, you guys. Let's put the money in, and then we will be done. And yes, this was a fast one because I gotta get upstairs. My dog is barking. Okay, 500, 6, 700, 750, 70, 90, 800, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 8, 20? I don't know. I think it was 820. All right, my friends, that is it. Thank you so much for playing along with me, and I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.